You have an antivirus. Your firewall is on. Everything looks fine, but your passwords are already gone. And you didn't even notice. That's the danger of info-stealer malware. Info-stealers are silent, fast, and nearly invisible. They don't encrypt your files. They don't crash your system. They don't ask for ransom. They just steal everything quietly. And by the time you know, it's too late. Here's how they work. You click a file, disguised as a resume, invoice, or browser update. The malware installs instantly, and then it gets to work. No flashy pop-up, no system slowdown, just silent extraction of saved browser passwords, session cookies, autofill data, clipboard content, crypto wallets, Telegram or Discord tokens. It packages it up and exfiltrates it, often within 10 seconds. But wait, you had antivirus, right? Here's the problem. Info stealers mutate constantly. They use polymorphic code so the signature changes every few hours. Many are built with malware kits that auto-randomize payloads. And some even check if they're running in a sandbox or lab environment. If they detect analysis tools, they do nothing. So antivirus says, all clear. But in the real environment, they execute fully. If this is valuable, hit like so we can make more videos like this. And it gets worse. Some info stealers are injected through malvertising, which involves fake ads in Google search results. Others come from compromised GitHub repos, fake browser plugins, or Discord links. You won't find out through alerts. But you will when your emails are accessed from Russia, or your crypto wallet is drained, or your sessions get hijacked one by one. So how do you protect yourself? Never download cracked software or sketchy browser updates. Don't rely on antivirus alone. Use behavior-based detection. Use password managers, not browser autofill. Revoke all sessions regularly, especially on Discord and Telegram. And monitor your clipboard. Yes, seriously. Info stealers are not the loudest threat, but they are one of the most effective. They don't ask, they just take. You're on Cyber StrategiX, your edge in the evolving cyber battlefield. Like, subscribe, and share to stay ahead in cybersecurity.